Hello my friends, comparing apples and androids here. Alright, so this is the Android, this is the Apple, and I was used to using Android, and one of the features I liked about Android was like if let's say I wanted to turn the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi off and on. I could go to settings in this menu and I could do it there, or I could swipe down from any screen and there's the Wi-Fi symbol. I can press that and it goes off, or I can press the Bluetooth and turn that on or turn that off. Stop. Stop. I don't want to turn the Bluetooth off. Done. Turn the Bluetooth off. And then on my iPhone, I was like, well, here's settings. I can go to settings and I can do it in there. But what if I want to do it really quickly? So I tried just swiping down. All that did was like close my screen. So what you have to do is you have to go up kind of to the top right here, where the Wi-Fi symbol actually is, and swipe down from there. And then you'll get a screen here where you can turn the Wi-Fi off, you can turn the Bluetooth off, you can put it in airplane mode, and there's some other features here as well. But that's how you get that quick menu. That if you're used to using Android, you can just swipe down from anywhere and you get a couple quick menus. See, like that from the home screen. Here, if you swipe down from the middle, you're just going to go to your home screen or lock screen. If you swipe from the right, then you're going to get all these options there. So that's something that I just learned and wanted to share with you. And if this helped you, smash like. And if you want to see more, I post almost every day. So go ahead and put your notifications on after you subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody today without getting caught.